Ah, yes! Perfect! I'm going to put my dad's phone in the microwave. Ha 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 ha. When Fire Dinosaur got to the kitchen. Now that I'm in the kitchen, I am going to put my dad's phone in the microwave. Yes! I put my dad's phone in the microwave. Yes! I put my dad's phone in the microwave. Yes! I put my dad's phone in the microwave. Now I'm going to... Oh, no! What have I done? I blew up the microwave. I'm so busted big time.
Oh my god. Fire Dinosaur. What happened? I heard an explosion coming from my kitchen. And second off, where's my phone?
Well, you are going to be so mad when I tell you, but I put your phone in the microwave, and then the microwave blew up.
Oh, Fire Dinosaur. How dare you put my phone in the microwave and blow up my microwave. Now I have to buy a new phone along with a new microwave thanks to you. This phone costed me $65 and the microwave costed me $648. That's it. You're grounded for 49 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Wow.